Hello, another AQA Physics multi-choice question. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. If you didn't, listen to my explanation. Which of the following gives the correct unit for? That's g squared, or little g squared, over big G. Well, little g is gravitational field strength, and gravitational field strength has the units of newtons per kilogram, and g is the gravitational constant. Now, I don't know what the units of gravitational constant are, but I do know where to find them, and that's on the data sheet. And the data sheet will tell you that the gravitational constant has units of newtons meters squared per kilogram squared. So what we're doing here is we're going to have g squared over g, and that's the same as newtons per kilogram because it's squared. I'm going to put that in twice or multiply it by itself, and g I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of this, so that's g squared over newtons and meters squared. Now let's see if we can do a bit of cancelling. I can get rid of one of those newtons, I can get rid of both of those kilograms, and it's going to leave me with newtons per meter squared. The answer is D. If you found this video useful or helpful, please subscribe, please press the like buttons, please share with people who might find this useful. Thank you for watching.